Hi guys, a lot of you have been asking me how to trade on Binance futures. So I decided to make this video to walk you through on Binance futures. So if you are one of those people, please sit back, grab a snack and let's jump right inside. How to trade on Binance futures. Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to trade on Binance future platform. But before we start trading on Binance future platform, I just want to walk you through Binance so you can know the various sections on Binance. Here is the Binance app. I'm using Android phone. I don't know if it looks the same on iPhone. But the thing is, once you open the Binance app like this, there are two faces on the Binance app. Whichever face you are going to identify it by toggling the button at the top left hand corner just beside your search bar. When you toggle that button, it is going to tell you whether you are on the light mode or on the pro mode. So there is Binance Pro and there is Binance Lite. Right now, this face, as you're seeing, you are on Binance Pro. So if I toggle up here, I'm going to go to, I will see the options to click the Binance Lite. So I can toggle the button here. It goes to Binance Lite. As you can see, I am on Binance Lite. On Binance Lite, you cannot do spot trading or future tradings. So if you want to do future tradings, you need to go back to Binance Pro. So I will toggle back to Binance Pro by clicking the same button at the top left hand corner, and I go to Binance and I can switch to Binance Pro. As you can see, I'm now on Binance Pro. So when you're on Binance Pro, you can see there are some menu icons at the bottom of your app. You have the home, you have markets, you have trades, you have futures, and then you have wallets. So if you want to see your balance on your wallet, you click on the wallet icon, then you will be able to see your balance. Right now I have $100. As you can see on the top, you see overview, you see I have $100. So you have the spot wallet. If I send you cryptos, it will appear on the spot wallet, and my spot wallet shows that I have $36 US. You have the fundings. Funding here represents P2P. If you have funds on your P2P, they will appear here. So then you have the margin. Right now I have nothing on the margins. So, and then you have your futures. On the futures, I have $14 US. And also you have earnings here, represents assets that are generating daily rewards to you. You find them on your earnings. So this is it about how to check your various wallets. So I'll go back to the overview. And then if you want to trade on futures, here's what you need to do. You have to click on the futures at the bottom. You see futures beside the wallet. You click on futures. Before we start, there is something I want to let you know, that on your futures you can make a lot of gains on your futures, as well as you can lose all your assets on your futures. So let's take a look at the futures. Here up I have the USDT S and M, and then I have coin M. So these two areas, I will talk about them in this video. These two areas where you see the USDT SM shows that you are trading your Ethereum, like the one I'm using here. It means that you are trading the Ethereum market using USDT. If you are on the coin M, means that you are trading the coin itself, which could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, and your rewards could be in coin. So here your rewards could be in USDT, but you are trading the Ethereum market, same as you can be trading the Bitcoin market or the Solana or the Cardano. Okay, so down here you have isolated. Isolated means that if you are trading a coin, It means that if the assets of the coin are liquidated, only the assets of that coin that you allocated for the trade will be liquidated. What does that mean? It means that, like here, I have 13 US dollars available. Below the buy button and the sell button, you see my balance there is 13.45 USDT. Now, if I did not put a stop loss, it means that when I'm trading, the assets of only the assets on this wallet will be liquidated. But if I did not put a stop loss, but if I was trading on cross margin, so you see here we have cross. If I put cross here, it means that if the assets are liquidated, it will cross to the other wallets and we start to liquidate all the other assets. So it is all up to you to know if you should put isolated or you should put cross. For me, I like to use the isolated, so shows that I am only risking the assets that are on the future wallet. Now here you have the leverage. So I always like to use between 10 to 15 at most leverage. Leverage also gives you so much money, which means that if your gains at the end of the day are, let's say, $10, will be multiplied by the leverage, so you'll be earning $100 at the end of your trade. So I like to limit myself at 15, so I never want to go beyond, because if you are from 20 or 40, as you can see, means that you are just gambling. Below we have the limit. Limit means that when I set the price at which I want to enter a trade, what will happen is that I put the limit, means that at that price, it is when the price reaches at this very particular price, as you see, 1988.48, that is when I will enter the trade. But if I want to enter the trade directly, I will have to click here and then I will take market. If I take market, I will enter the trade at the same market price, because right now the market price is 1,981.82 US dollars. So, but I will always like to use limits and enter at a certain price limit. So now you can see the asset I'm using is USDT, because here I choose, up here you see I choose USDT. I could have choose Bitcoin. I could toggle if I want to enter. If I want to sell, I can then toggle here and I click on sell. If I want to buy, I can click here and I click on buy. So when actually do you buy and when actually do you sell on futures trading? If you anticipate or if you speculate that the price of an asset is going to increase, so then you enter the trade and you buy. There you will be making profit if the price is increasing as you speculated. But if the price is reducing, then you'll be making a loss. If you want to sell, you will enter the trade at a certain price point where you speculate that the price of the asset will be decreasing. Once the price of the asset is actually decreasing as you speculated, you will be making a profit. Whereas if the price is instead increasing while you enter the trade as in selling, you will be making a loss. So that's that about buying and selling on futures. So now if I scroll down, you see I have a position here. I am making $0.12 based on the 98% increase, because I bought the asset instead. So you see here, that is that. So how do you actually place a trade on Binance? That is what I'm going to show you right away.